Good morning, students, and welcome back to the class. We were discussing the first chapter, that is the living word. Okay, in that we have discussed about the this classification, taxonomy, and systematics, isn't it? This classification is nothing but this grouping of organisms into convenient categories based on the this observable characters, isn't it? And these different categories are known as taxa, and this classification of organisms into different taxa is known as a taxonomy. Okay, and finally what we discussed is systematics, that is a systematic arrangement of organisms. Okay, this systematic, the word is derived from the Latin word that is systema, that means the systematic arrangement of organisms. Okay, one thing you should remember here is that this systematic arrangement of organism is based on the evolutionary relationship. Okay, that is considered in systematics. So that is what all we discussed in the previous class. So today we discuss about the taxonomic categories. Okay, so taxonomic categories, you see here this classification, just we discussed yesterday, that is grouping of organisms into different convenient categories. Okay, that based on observed characters, that classification is not a single step process. Okay, because it involves several hierarchy of steps. Okay, this classification, that is grouping of organism, is not a single step process, but it involves several hierarchy of steps. Hierarchy ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ರಮ, ಶ್ರೇಣಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಂದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹುಡುಗರನ್ನು ಕೂಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ರೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದವನೇ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅವನಿಗಿಂತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎತ್ತರ, ಅವನಿಗಿಂತ ಹೈಟು, ಯು ಸಿ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆ್ಯನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಆಡಳಿತದೊಳಗೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಒಂದು ಹೈರಾರ್ಕಿ ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಹೈರಾರ್ಕಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಸೂಪರ್ವೈಸರ್, ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೆಪ್ಟಿ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್, ಜನರಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್, ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಯು ಸಿ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಹೈರಾರ್ಕಿ, ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದು ಕ್ರಮ, ಶ್ರೇಣಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ this classification is not a single step process, it involves several hierarchy of steps. Okay, and each step is called as it includes a rank or category. Yesterday only we discussed. Okay, these categories are known as rank. Okay, and these category or this rank, they are commonly called as a taxon, that is taxa. Taxa is a plural and taxon is this singular. Okay, this taxa are nothing but categories or rank. Okay, and several taxa, okay, that is several categories of an organisms are arranged in ascending order. You see, the several taxa means these categories. Okay, that is why the classification we group them, we categorize into different categories, isn't it? So the several taxa, that is these categories of an organism, are arranged in ascending order. Okay, and this is called as a taxonomic hierarchy. Taxonomic hierarchy. What is taxonomic hierarchy? So the several taxa or categories of an organisms are arranged in an ascending ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏರಿಕೆ ಕ್ರಮ, ಅಸೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏರಿಕೆ ಕ್ರಮ. ಅದರ ಏರಿಕೆ ಕ್ರಮದೊಳಗೆ ಏನು ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಮೊದಲು ಸಣ್ಣದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದು, ಅದರ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನೂ ದೊಡ್ಡದು, ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. So that is known as a ascending order, and that is called as a taxonomic hierarchy. Okay, you see here, this is the taxonomic hierarchy. Okay, this is here all these are the different taxas, and these taxa or categories, okay, in classification organism they are arranged in ascending order. Ascending means increasing order. You see, this is the species. Species is the smallest unit of classification. So next comes genus. Okay, it is bigger than this species, and next comes the family. The next taxa or category is family. Okay, and family next is next taxa is order, and next comes the class, and next is phylum and division. Okay, and finally the kingdom. You see, this species is the smallest unit, and kingdom is the biggest unit in classification of organisms. Okay, and these are the different taxa. This species is one taxa, genus is one taxa, and family is one taxa. That means the taxa is nothing but a category. Okay, how many taxa are here, how many category are here? You see, 1 2 3 4, this is 5 6 and 7. You see, there are 7 taxa, or there are 7 categories, or there are 7 ranks in classification of any organisms. Okay, let us see what is this species and that of kingdom. Okay, you see, species, this is the lowest unit of what is classification, and that is smallest unit. And species is nothing but a group of organisms with fundamental similarities. ಓಕೆ, ಮೂಲಭೂತವಾಗಿ ಏನು ಸಾಮ್ಯತೆಗಳಿರ್ತದೆ, ಸಿಮಿಲಾರಿಟಿಗಳಿರ್ತದೆ, ಅವುಗಳ ಒಂದು ಗುಂಪು, ಒಂದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾದ ಸಾಮ್ಯತೆ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಜೀವಿಗಳ ಗುಂಪಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಸ್ಪೀಸೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಜೀನಸ್. ಜೀನಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಯು ಸಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಲಿ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಸ್ಪೀಸೀಸ್. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ the species which are closely related, they are grouped into this what is that genus. You see, all the closely related species are grouped or classified into the genus. So genus is a closely related species. Next is family. That means all the closely related genus, they are grouped into the family. So that is several related genera they put together to form the family. Next, all the closely related families, they are grouped into this order. Okay, order is nothing but assemblage of families, different families, closely related families, and this related orders, they are put into the class. So class is nothing but related orders. Okay, and this closely related classes, they are put into the phylum or division. You see here, you should note one thing here. Phylum means that closely related classes of animals. ಸೊ ಎನಿಮಲ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಲಿ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಏನಿರ್ತದ ಅವುಗಳನ್ನ ಫೈಲಮ್ ಒಳಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ ಸೇರಿಸಲಾಗ್ತದ, ಮತ್ತು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಲಿ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅದು ಏನಾಗ್ತದ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತದ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಫೈಲಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್. ಫೈಲಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಲಿ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ closely related classes of this what is that plants. Okay, after this what comes kingdom. This kingdom, this is the highest rank or highest category or highest taxa in the classification, that is a taxonomic hierarchy. And this kingdom is highest rank. It includes 2 kingdoms. One is a plant kingdom and another one is a animal kingdom. Plant kingdom involves all the plants in it, and this animal kingdom involves all the animals in it. So this is the taxonomic categories. Okay, so with this we conclude here and continue tomorrow.